Hello everyone, welcome to this video where I will show you how to connect a DreamHost email account with Gmail to start sending and receiving emails directly from Gmail. In order to do so, go to Gmail and click on settings, then see all settings, head to account and import and click on add a mail account. Type your email address, the one you created on DreamHost, and click next and choose import emails from my other account. Enter the username and password you created or you choose it during your email account creation on DreamHost. For the pub server, write pub.dreamhost.com. And for the port, choose the port number 400. I want to say 995. You can check this option to leave a copy of your retrieved message on the server. Always use secure connection and label incoming messages. And there you have it, your new email account on Gmail has been added successfully. Now you can start receiving your DreamHost email messages directly in Gmail. In order to start receiving or start sending emails on the SMTP server, write smtp.dreamhost.com. For the port, choose the port number 465 and username and password as chosen during your email account creation on DreamHost. And always choose your secured connection. And there you have it. Now the last step, your email account is successfully connected. Gmail is connected successfully to start sending emails. The last step is to confirm, to click on a confirmation, click on a link in a confirmation email that you will receive in your DreamHost email account. This is the email account. This is the confirmation email message. Click on the link. Click on confirm. And this is how you choose your new or your professional looking email address. That was all for this video. I hope you like it. Don't forget to hit like and subscribe to encourage me to create more tutorials. Thank you for watching and see you in the next one.